Welcome back. Got another plane to play with this week. This is the Volantex Mustang. Again, 500mm, brushless, 2S, because of the 400mAh battery like the other ones. Retails about £115, about the same as all the others. Same controller, same everything. Battery charged up. Just on there. And plugs in, goes in the battery compartment, tucks away really nice and neatly. There we go, all nice and away. Grab the controller. What's interesting is I've noticed with all these Volantex planes, you can use them off exactly the same controller. Like, I have 3 different planes, I use one controller for all of them. With the gyros on them, it doesn't need any trim setup, so you can pretty much get away with just taking one with you to the field if you've got multiples, so that's fantastic. But again, it's going to be standard hand launch, and we'll see how bad we crash it this time. So we'll do the standard hand chuck. About 70% throttle. Try and just steer it using just one hand so I can hold the camera. Don't know how well this is picking it up. This could be the first past landing. Okay, throttled off. Okay, we're way too fast still. No, that ain't happening. Oh well, we crashed still, but didn't crash land, if that makes sense. Everything all okay with the plane. I just thought I'd check to see if everything was right on it, because it didn't seem exactly as I'd expect. So should be okay though. It almost felt like one of the thrusters was like not allowing full travel. It actually feels a little bit better now. Now I've crashed it. It feels a bit better, and it's actually flying really nicely again. So what the one-handed cameraman? So I'm flying this one-handed. Tone. There we go. That was a successful flight with the Mustang. Propeller survived, I survived. Successful first flight with the Mustang. It was really good. Got about 9 minutes of flight time out of it. So let's take the Corsair back out. We got some more propellers for it from Model Shop Leeds. They got them out next day, so fantastic work from them. Cannot complain in the slightest.